2016 Dodge Ram. We're gonna fix the p0521 engine oil pressure switch. All right, in this case we're gonna replace it, then we're gonna come back and erase the code. And one quick note, so you'll be able to erase the code, you have to have just the ignition on, not running. In Chrysler, if the car is running, it will not shut it off. Okay, so we're gonna go in the front. We're gonna find this switch, oil pressure switch. We have the new one right here. It costs 40 bucks. All the way down there. Let me see, where are you? Where is it, this thing? Right there. It's this one right there. What happened? Alright, so we gotta unplug it, and then we're gonna use this 1 1/16 socket. If you can get your hands on one of these sockets, that'd be very handy. It's made for the sensors. Okay, so they're very cheap. You can get them in any part store. So now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. See if I can put my hand without put it into the video. Come on, you. Okay, you got it disconnected, and you gotta do is push the little knob underneath. Let me move my hand so you can see it. Right there. In this case, it was underneath. Sometimes it's in the top. It depends where you finish tightening it up. This little knob, you push it in and you pull it. Do not pull it from the wires. Pull the plug. Okay, because you might pull the wires out of the plug and now you have another problem. Alright, so now we're gonna put the socket with extension. First I'm gonna do the socketo, and then I do the ratchet. Okay, I got my socket with the extension. I'm gonna slide it in. Come on, you, all the way in. That's it. Now I might have to use another extension. Yeah, I don't want to keep moving these hoses. They don't look healthy. Okay, I got two small extensions. I want to stay far away from those cooling lines. Okay, now I'm gonna put my ratchet into the extensions. Oh my god. Those sensors are not supposed to be too tight. Okay. Hold on, let me set it up. Okay, I got my ratchet in. Now try to keep it straight much as you can, and start turning. Do not use a swivel. It's better if you hold in the socket with one hand, but I don't have three hands. Right now I'm holding the phone, and I turn in the ratchet. I'm gonna get my phone holder to put it in. Alright, get it all the way out. Okay, so now I got it loose. Oh, where's my other extension? Right there. Now we're gonna take it out. This job is very easy. It's just a little bit complicated with the camera. Okay. Just coming out. Just finish it with your fingers. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna put my hand between to get it out. Oops. Okay. That's it. That's the oil pressure switch. This is the old one. Okay. Usually when they bad, they have oil inside. This one is dry, but somehow it's reading wrong, so we're just gonna put the new one on, erase the codes, and that's it. The new one comes with already the Teflon glue, or whatever you want to call this thing, the dope. So don't put no more Teflon tape, just leave it like that. Put it on by hand. I can't see. Alright, shake it and turn it, shake and turn. You turn it by the metal piece, do not turn the plastic. Because if you turn the plastic, you can damage the sensor. So now you put the socket. Come on. Alright. Put the socket all the way in. That's it. So now we're going to tighten them up. And remember, this is aluminum. So don't go crazy tightening this thing up. Alright, I put my ratchet on it. And just tighten them up. Keep going, keep going. Now you're gonna hold the ratchet with both hands and just give him the finally the last turn. That's it. You don't want to break this thing. If it leaks, it's okay. You can go back and tighten them up. If you broke it, then you cannot go back and tighten them up anymore. If you break it, then you got problems. That's it. So now what you're gonna do, get the plug and plug it in. Where is the plug? Right here. Okay, you gotta find only one way gonna go in. Find the shape of the plug and push it in. That's it. It clicks. Good. So now we're gonna go inside the car, turn the key on, and erase the code. And move my get out of there. Move the phone holder. The phone holder is very handy. Now we're gonna turn the key on. Remember, you push the power button twice. 1, 2. You check the scanner. Read codes. I'm always read codes before I erase. Go back. Second step, erase codes. And now it's erased. The car is not running, remember. Okay, it's done. So now we're gonna start it up. Okay, we have no light, the gauge is working. Check engine light went away. I'm gonna check, make sure it's not leaking oil. Where are you? Right there. Nice and dry. It's not leaking. All the way in. So that's it. That's how you replace the oil pressure switch in a 2016 Dodge Ram. Okay, so if I can do it, you can do it. Bye bye.